Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the fill a yard feature with Spoonflower in order to proof your designs. In order to start selling your designs on Spoonflower, you first need to order a proof, and this fill a yard feature is the most cost-effective way to do this. So scrolling down, what you'll notice here is that you'll first need to create a collection with your designs, and then it will have you choose a template, and then you can arrange your designs on the template. What you'll notice as we scroll down here more is that there are a couple of different template options here. The one that we are going to go with that is the most cost effective is this 1 yard up to 42 designs, and that will give you proofs at 6-inch squares. You'll also notice that there are a couple of different options here as well, but the one that's most cost effective is this 1 yard of up to 42 designs here. So here in Spoonflower, I'm going to go to the dashboard icon here, and then I'm going to select collections. And then here I'm going to create a new collection. For this one, I'm just going to give it a generic name, Fill a Yard 1, because this is a whole bunch of different designs. As soon as I'm done with this Fill a Yard, I'll get rid of this collection, but you need it in a collection in order to create your Fill a Yard project. And then here it gives you the option if you want to make this collection visible to the public. In this case, we will not check it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and create. So we have our new collection here. And then I'm going to go over to my design dashboard here, and then just select my design library. And then from here, I can start adding my designs to the collection. So you can do that here. You can select the collection, and then you can just add it to the collection here. Also, if you click into a design, you also have the option to select your collection down here under collections here, and it will be added to that collection. So now that I've added all of my designs to my collection, I'm going to go ahead and go to the collections page here. And then under your collection, you can click on this icon here where you'll be able to create a Fill a Yard project. Here under Fill a Yard, you'll see that we are using our Fill a Yard 1 collection. In this case, it's got 42 designs. And then you can choose to see your full collection if you want to see what all the fabrics are in it, or choose a different collection. And then under Choose a Template, I'm going to do the 1 yard up to 42 designs. Originally, I was considering this 48 designs for 2 yards, but the 1 yard with 42 designs will give you the most designs at the cheapest price. So we're going to go for this 1 yard here. And then choosing a fabric here, when you hit the drop down menu, you have 2 different options here, the Petal Signature Cotton and the Cotton Poplin. Between the two, Petal Signature Cotton is $19 a yard, and then Cotton Poplin is $20 a yard, so you can select either one there. And then let's go ahead and click on Design Your Project. And then here you can select your pattern here, and then select the square you want to add it to, and you'll see that it will show up here. And then select the next one, and then just continue to add your designs here. Now that I've added all of my designs to the various squares here, you can just click to add it to your cart, and then you can see your cart here. And then we can see that for our 1 yard cheater quilt for 42 squares, you can order it for $19 per yard. And then just based on the math, that will let you theoretically proof each design for 45 cents. So it is the most cost-effective way to proof your designs on Spoonflower by using this Fill a Yard feature, especially going with the 1 yard with 42 squares. One thing that I wanted to point out is that when you purchase a Fill a Yard project, is that you will see some Spoon dollars show up in your account here. I was confused by this, and so I just kind of looked it up, and I found this article here, When a Yard is More Than a Yard, on the Spoonflower blog. And then just scrolling down here, Here it says that currently you will also earn commissions on Fill a Yard projects you order for yourself using your own designs. This is in lieu of the 10% designer discount on regular fabric purchases. This commission will show up in your account as spendable spoon dollars, but will not be included on any total earnings for tax purposes. So just note that when you do a Fill a Yard project, you will get a little bit of the spoon dollars, and that's just related to, and that just gives you a little percentage back related to this purchase. So when you're in your Spoonflower account here, and then you click on spoon dollars here, you'll see the transactions for that Fill a Yard project and how much is credited and the total balance. And then when you go to make an additional purchase, you'll notice that you can add your spoon dollars to your purchase for additional purchases that you make. So this is the sample pack that I received from Spoonflower. So here you can see some of the examples of some of the patterns that I have. And what this helps me to kind of realize is scale and which ones that I want to like scale down inside of Spoonflower because they're just a little bit too large or larger than I want them to be. So it's kind of cool to see the colors here, just to see the crispness of the lines here of the different patterns. Looking at this one here, I might have a repeat error, so I'll definitely have to look at that one for sure. But definitely it's good to order a swatch and just kind of see the various patterns and just kind of see how they look, how they're printed. Here you can see the full 42 squares, and it's kind of fun to see the various patterns that I have created. Once you've ordered your sample and you've proofed your designs, you'll want to come back into Spoonflower and you'll want to go to your design library. Go ahead and click on one of your patterns that you had proofed. To make it available for sale, just scroll down to the bottom here under Sell or Display. This section will now be available. I would like to sell this design as, and you can select fabric or wallpaper. In this case, I'm just going to select fabric, but if your design is appropriate for wallpaper, you can select wallpaper as well. And as you can see, it will give you this little updated notification that it has been saved. So now this particular fabric is available for sale in my Spoonflower shop. Thank you for watching this video on how to order a Fill a Yard fabric from Spoonflower. Fill a Yard is a great economic way to order your proofs for your patterns in order to sell them on Spoonflower. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Labs. See you next time.